We're going to keep rolling tonight. What do you say, Sean? My man, good luck to you. We have a full case of flawless baseball. Getting ready to stop it up. Getting ready to fire up the brake pad and do a little something like this. Here comes the boom. Sean, thank you. All the best to you. Good luck. Let's bring it on, guys. Let's get rowdy. Let's bring it up in the chat. Give everybody a little mojo here. Promo mojo night. So here we go. One of these three. Let's roll the dice then, Sean. Is that the plan? All right, here we go. I'm gonna roll that dice for you, my man. I got a nice heavy gold one here from Ultra Pro. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, yeah, here we go. Fiver. The case that's been baking. It's been smushed down the most. It's heating up. It's heating up. All right, good luck, my man. Here we go. 2 other cases of flawless baseball. Random division briefcase. We've got random hits in the store, which qualifies you for those giveaways. And maybe, just maybe, we'll do another division full case. All right, you guys. Here we go. Yes, indeed. Here comes the boom. All right, here we go. Whoop. This is going to be a great break, guys. Tell you what on it. It was a great parade. I told you it's going to be a big party in C-Town. High five, Sean. High five, everybody. Everybody that's joining in tonight watching, we've got a special promo going, so don't miss out. Check out BomberBreaks.com. We got the Parade Mojo. We got the Cavs Championship Mojo going. Man, good luck, Sean. Let's do something. Let's do something special for you. It's something amazing. All right, I'll do one box at a time, or do you want me to save your encase cards? My inclination, Sean, is to save the encase cards till the end. I'll get the 2 boxes out first. But your wish is my command. Trebek. All right, I'm going to sneak in there. Yo, sneak in there. Not peeking. Not going to peek. There it is. Here comes the boom. POD knows. All right, there we go. That's one. I'm going to reseal. Drop down. Sean, you're getting both briefcases. I'll ship this out to you. Of course, with everything in it. Rock, paper, scissors. There you go. Sean, that would be. Save is good. All right, you got it. Save piece. Not peeking. Nope, not peeking. This box is all the way in the back. Okie dokie. We are soldiers. All of a sudden, the official song of Topps Valor has just started to play on the brake pad. All right. So there are real jewels. Yes, Sean, you're even going to get us a guarantee card. You're going to get a guarantee card. So, all right, let me get my top loads ready for you. I'm going to get every card in case as I take them out. 130s. So guys, we have random hit style available. We also can do, I think the divisional single box is sold out, right, Kev? We're going to do the Trinity football next. I believe that one is sold out. Muhammad Ali is getting down to single digits. Take your chance, guys. Your cheapest way to get in on the promos tonight is the Ali case. You get 2 cards guaranteed. And 1 spot will win 3rd card and a guaranteed hit at $41.99. And then the flawless random might turn into another full case. We'll see. All right, Sean. May the Fox, the praying bad. And I want to see the Beverly Hillbillies doing a lot of that stuff right there. Here we go. Let's go. Let's get into it. Flawless baseball. Sean's like, man, bring that confetti. Bring that confetti mojo. All right, here we go. The Babe. I got the Babe over here. All right, Sean's pretty nervous. All right, let's calm the nerves with a nice first box. What do you say? All right, we start things off. An autograph on the top, and this box is chock full, my man. I bet we got an extra. I bet we got an extra hit or 2 in this box. All right, let's start things off. First guy, Mr. Drury, Arizona Drury. We've seen him with the Braves and the Diamondbacks now. All right. Let's get that focus set. Brandon Drury, flawless first hit right there. Whoop. Eight out of 20. Whoop. Next up, Peter O'Brien. Back-to-back Arizona Diamondback. 3 of 10. 20, I'm sorry, 3 of 20. So 2 Ruby Red Diamondbacks to start things off. All right, next up, I saw a dual patch autograph. And we start with, oh my, this is a beautiful, beautiful patchwork. Look at this. Yellow, orange, red, and blue. And a patch on the right. It is Craig Biggio, Hall of Famer. Boom! That's going to look really good on that Flying WV koozie right there. Alright, I'm going to go get some mags, because I know you're going to need some mags. That one is mag-worthy. That one is mag-worthy. You betcha. Holy cow! Yeah, great card. Craig Biggio of Houston on that one. A Hall of Famer, recent inductee. So a dual patch autograph. And the next card, I believe, is another dual patch autograph. And this is another great player, Big Papi. Boom! Big Papi. Whoa! 2 out of 15. Bring back that koozie. Bring back that koozie. Wow. Sean, I'm going back-to-back magnets. Back-to-back mags for you, brother, man. Yowza. Next. Rookie card. Corey Seager. Boom! We might have a back-to-back Magworthies. I'm going to go ahead and say that one's pretty good. Pretty good, too. Not a terrible hit. In most area codes, that's going to be a boom. That's gonna count as a great hit. Probably a big money hit. I'm gonna go ahead and say, Sean, congrats, dude. The Los Angeles Dodger, the youngster, Corey Seager. Sean, look at these 3 in a row. You kidding me? Biggio to 15. Big Poppy to 15. And Seager to 15. Panini rocking it. So we canceled out the 2 Diamondbacks hits, as he says. Next up, good luck. Here we go. Oh, St. Louis. So it looks like a nice patch. A numbered card, 1 out of 10. St. Louis, Adam Wainwright. The right-hander ace. The Cardinals. Great looking 3-color patch. Man. Next is, oh, we had a quad legendary bat piece. Players collection of the great Sam Crawford. Detroit Tiger great Sam Crawford. Wow. Those are sharp. 4 bat piece, 18 of 25. 2 more left in here. 2 more left. Oh, the great New York Mel Ott swatch, 15 of 20. Material greats. Boom! Wow. Sean, this box is solid, man. First briefcase. Remember, we still have all those encased hits and another inner box. Here we go. Whoop, 5 of 20. You got another patch. Auto, I think. 5 of 20. Red pinstripe. Oh, Todd Frazier. Cincinnati Mojo. The Redlegs. Bringing it. Cousin Jake. We got a red. Sean, congrats, man. Let's take a quick look at this first box. Frazier, 5 of 20. Mel Ott. Material greats. Sam Crawford, so a nice couple of legends. A Wainwright prime patch to 10. Drury and O'Brien, number to 20. And then 3 mag pieces. Seager, Big Poppy, and Craig Biggio. Wowzers. All right, let's do the other box. How many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 12 are going to be coming out of that briefcase. So remember, if we do a random hit, you guys jump in on that. Random hit, if we get more than 10, you got the shot at an extra card or 2 maybe. All right. First card out, Tampa Bay, Richie Schaefer. 6 of 15 rookie card autograph. I know, X-ray. Jake, I was waiting for you to confirm that with me, or correct me. I know. Schaefer, 6 of 15. Second one is an autograph again, 5 of 20, a rookie for the Cubbies. Holy cow! Edwards, who wears number 79. You know, I had 79 hot dogs before I called the Cardinals and Blue Jays game one time. I fed all the hamburgers, all the buns to the Blue Jays. 5 of 20. Cubs won. The Cubs won. Oh, the baby. There's a Willie McGee, 9 out of 15. Say hey, Willie, St. Louis. All righty, 9 out of 15. The next card coming up is a nice one. You know, Willie is a great player in RBI baseball. The original RBI for Nintendo. All right, you ready for a good one? Here we go, Sean. This one's pretty good. Not terrible at all. 6 of 10. Chipper. Boom! Chipper Jones, 6 of 10. Wow, man. Sean, you stole that one. My good buddy, man, he's a huge Chipper fan. Trying to pull him one. You got it. Congrats. I know, not the NASCAR racer. Yeah, the Carl Edwards. Chipper 6 of 10. Mag that piece for you, man. Congrats. Chipper's a great one. Next, oh, we have autograph relic. Whoop! Steven Biscotti. 20 out of 25. Nice rookie. St. Louis. St. Louis. Steven Biscotti, 20 and 25. Another nice rookie hit. Rookie mojo. Couple more to go. New York, 10 of 10. Greg Bird, prime patch piece. Prime patch piece. That's a well done card right there. Two more from this box. Here we go. Oh boy. Nice couple closers here. Look at this patch. Kyle Seager and Robinson Cano. Boom. Just beautiful patchwork. Seager and Cano, number to 5. The Emerald piece, 3 of 5. Dual Diamond Mojo. Last one before we start looking at the encased action. Trinity Football, you guys are, oh baby, check this out. 1 of 15. 1 of 15, Sean. Harry Heilman. The great Harry. Charlie Gehringer. And, oh yeah, that guy. Ty Cobb. Boom! 1 of 15. Detroit all-time greats there. Cobb, Gehringer, Heilman, and that is the first one printed of the blue stamped variety. 1 of 15. Mag that one for you too, brother man. All right. There we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. So you're going to have 23 total hits, assuming we don't see an extra one in the briefcase. You never know. You never know. All right. Good luck to you, Sean. Let's do this, man. Let's open them up. Top briefcase. Reopen. We're off to find the hero of the day. Can you see in there? You're not supposed to see in there. Let's bring the camera back. All right. This one on the left's got authenticity. Harry Carey, gotta block him. All right, here we go. Let's make sure we got them all. Yep. All right, empty briefcase, Sean. There you go. That is your briefcase. I'll probably put the cards back in there. All right, here we go. Good luck, brother man. We got 3, and then we got 3 more for you. All right, first one. I'm going to try my best not to peek. In fact, I got to stop myself from looking. I'm going to use my index card and block it right here like that. All right, good luck, my man. Here we go. First card. His team. Oh, it's an alma mater. Collegiate style. Collegiate style. That guy right there. He's got some blue. 5 of 10. Flawless. Michael Conforto. The Beavers of Oregon State. Yeah, there he is. Yeah, the gopher. We gotta get the gopher. Tears in his eyes, I guess. 5 and 10. With the flawless. Young Mario. I don't like that mascot though. And it looks like about a niner. Gonna go with the niner. Ew. That is a gem of the sapphire piece. Next, where's my patch? Where'd my Harry Carey go? All right, bro, man. Next up, whoop, bat piece, St. Louis. We got the red helmet. It looks like, yeah, the Air Molina. Nice one there. Boom. 1 of 20 diamond action. 1 of 20 diamond piece. Yes. People love them some Yadier. That one should do pretty good for you, Sean. Congrats, Yadier Molina, to go along with Conforto. All right, this one here. Let's find out what we got. All right, index card. No eBay breaks tonight, so no index card mojo. Or no giveaways, I guess. Oh, here we go. There is the diamond guarantee agreement. So you got 30 days to figure out if that's a real diamond, I guess. Who's going to take it out of the case anyway, so... Anyway. Alright, good luck, brother, man. Here we go. There's a... Oh, 6 of 10. Whoa, we may have... Yeah, we do. We got it. Huggins. One of the Yanks. Miller Huggins. Miller Huggins bat piece. There's Lou Gehrig. Oh, baby. Come on, be the bomber. The Bronx. Bomber. There he is! Babe! The original bomber. Uncle Vern, he's a pretty good hitter, but not quite the same as that guy. Boom! Bomber Briggs, man, bringing you the triple relic. One of the greats. One of the great flawless hits right there. Look at that Ruth patch, Sean. That thing has some serious character. Wow. Holy cow, it is right. Ruth, Gehrig, and Huggins. Huggins coached, right? Or was he just a player? I'm trying to remember. Where's my Yankees guys? Wow, man. We got one more briefcase. We ain't done. Ain't done. One more, and then we got the just had a thought there to get the all right, get that done. Thank you. I just saw an order come through for a random hit. Thank you, guys. All right. I'm not gonna peek. No peeking, Sean. No peeking. One more box has encased hits in it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Last one, man. Flawless briefcase. I know I take my time on these. They're too much fun. 929, last three. And now it is time for Trinity coming up next, guys. Trinity, Muhammad Ali. Also tonight, that's your best way to get on the promos. Least expenditure. It's right there. All right, here we go, Sean. 3 more. 2 gemstones, maybe? New York. What we got here? Old timer, baby. And that's a number to 5. 5 of 5. Bill Dickey, Hall of Famer for the Yanks. Boom! Again. Wow. Emerald piece. Wow, you got an emerald, a sapphire, and a diamond so far. How about a ruby? We'll get you a ruby. Maybe a ruby piece. St. Louis. Oh, another legend. This is my favorite. That's what Panini does a phenomenal job. These older cards, the old timers. No logos anyway. They weren't wearing logos back then. Diamond piece. Dizzy! Not Daffy Dean. Dizzy! Woo! Boom! You guys dizzy? I'm a little dizzy. Sorry about that, guys. I don't hit Dizzy Dean every day, so I had to do a little shaky shake. 15 of 20 diamond piece. Wow, Dickie and Dizzy Dean. One more hit! One more hit! Wow, Sean, congrats, man. Great case for you. Congrats. Good luck to you. One more to go. 6 of 15 on this one. Looks like an auto. Are we going to finish with an Omar? Hometown Tribe Mojo! We sure are! Omar Vizquel. We got Cleveland Cavaliers. Championship Parade Confetti Mojo. And we close off the case for Sean with an Omar Vizquel 6 of 15. Boom! The Cavaliers! No, the Tribe. That's right. Might be your 2016 MLB champion, Cleveland Indians. Wowzers. That's pretty good one right there. Pretty good. That was not a terrible break. That was great. Congrats, man. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Sean. That was incredible. Great stuff. Congrats. Flawless, green and strong. One more time. There it is. All right. We'll get this one stopped. We'll save it up for you. Sean, you get back. You can watch this back anytime, my man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Great Scott! Flawless is phenomenal. Holy cow! Thank you again, Sean. What a break, man.